Sanding a horse can be a very powerful tool in our everyday horsemanship. We use it to move a horse in and out of a stall, lead him through a gate, load into a trailer, bring him out of the pasture, even when others are around and stay behind, and so much more. It's the little things that make a big difference. At this stage of groundwork, you should be able to work with your horse on the field, lightly, softly, and with connection. It all begins with clarity. You need to make sure your cue is clear and safe for both you and your horse. The basics are the same as when you're lunging or leading in circles. But this time, we're adding something new: the fence or the wall of an arena. Horses naturally dislike tight, enclosed spaces, can feel claustrophobic to them. It takes trust for a horse to confidently move between you and the fence. In the beginning, be patient. Give your horse a moment to figure it out, to discover that it's safe. And as he moves, keep your flag between you and him, encouraging your horse to move around you, not over you. After a few repetitions, your horse will start moving through smoothly and with more trust. Once he's confident, you can practice in trickier spots, like doorways, gates, the back of your truck, a trailer, anywhere. Each success will reinforce the bond between you and your horse. As he learns, he can trust you in all kinds of situations. Some horses might hesitate or resist at first. That's okay. If that happens, offer them the second deal. First, raise your flag to apply pressure. Then, tap firmly on the shoulder to clearly show your intent. And remember, reward every try. Pet your horse and let him know you see this wide effort he's making for you. He should be proud of himself. In those first few attempts, your horse might just keep walking around you in a circle instead of pivoting, still hesitating. That's where you need to be clear. The moment he moves through, pull firmly on the lead rope to tip his nose toward you. His body will naturally follow, bending, disengaging the hindquarters, and stopping.
Voilà, elle est tout de suite extrêmement agitée. Il n'y a pas de tranquillité.
Some horses lack self-confidence, and they will require a little more patience from you. Stay calm. Keep your flag between you and the horse, and gently invite them to move between you and the fence. Don't push too hard. Let them take their time. You can even stop them right in the middle, just to make them realize it's safe. And remember, as soon as your horse makes one calmer pass, even just a little bit better than before, quit for the day. That small win is enough. Next time, your horse might panic again, but it won't be as intense and it won't last as long. Same deal. Quit when you see a real nice improvement and start again the day after. Over time, your horse will eventually understand that as long as you're there, he's safe.
Never